What's up, guys? This is Laser Monkey. Welcome back, and today I'm breaking down Mats Valk's 4.74 former world record, which was the second official sub-5, and just a very interesting solve. It's a bit awkward at times, not the easiest solve, but definitely some good algorithms at the end. He uses VLS, Valk Last Slot, and it makes for a very interesting solve. So the scramble is on screen. Okay, so we're looking for the green cross here, and we can see the first three edges here. So this red is going to go here, and the yellow is going to go here, and when we turn this orange up, it's going to go here. So you can see that these are all solved relative to each other, right, when we turn them there. So we already know these three are solved relative to each other, and then our last cross edge is right here. So that's already solved. So what we're going to do is we're just going to solve this one, then do a D, and then an R2 to solve the entire cross. And in inspection, we can see that this right here, this is not going to be disturbed, this little block here. That's not going to be disturbed. So we can bring it up like this, and then solve this F2L that we saw in inspection. And then you saw this corner right here. So he just goes, does some U's and finds the edge, and then just does it right away. And then here, this is real interesting because this is a very awkward case. You don't really see an obvious solution. You could try and solve these two, but then that would give you a really bad case for the next F2L. So instead, he does a YD prime, and then he solves these two into the back slot here, which is very interesting. And I think it's because he knows all the VLS algorithms that he sets up for something like this so that he can give himself a good chance at getting a VLS. So being practical with what you know is a very interesting technique. So he solves this one into the back, and then he just sets up for a VLS. So he solves this pair. And now this is just a VLS algorithm. And then U, AUF, and he's done. So that's a very interesting solve. Let's go over it again. Okay, so green cross. And setting up for the VLS. And U. So I think knowing a lot of VLS cases and a lot of algs and optimizing your solves to take advantage of what you know is really what it's all about. So I think this was a very interesting solve by Mats Valk. Quite unlike any solve I've seen before. It's a very unique solving style. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. This is Laser Monkey. Out.